Hello everyone. So today I am presenting my market ready products developed by my team, and let's have a detailed explanation about those. So the first product here I would like to show you, it's a digital microscope retrofitting kit. It's a device which can fit into your microscope, and then it converts your regular microscope into a USB operated digital microscope with a costly halogen lamp being replaced by a simple LED like shown over here. You can see some of the images here at the bottom. This is at 4x. So these are some of the images, and you can see clear RBCs or plant cells seen with this microscope. So these are the actual images obtained with this microscope. Now this is how you have to do. You can see myself performing replacement of a existing mirror or a halogen, and on this top video you will see that I am replacing the top part, taking out the, what you can say, the eyepiece, and putting this particular what you can say our DMRK kit. And also if you see on this side, this is the original microscope over here and getting replaced after the assembly. This is how it will look like finally. So this is the complete step. Just replace the mirror with our retrofitting LED kit, which can be powered with USB also, and also you have to fit on top CCD microscope. Now coming to the need of DMRK, so old microscope we generally scrap, and they are very costly with good optics. So first thing is we can do something with this old microscope. Second is analysis can be done if the images are stored digitally. You can also see that this can be used for teaching an entire class. Okay, you have a full class of 60 students. You cannot ask everyone to come and look into the eyepiece. So you can teach entire class at a time. You can project the microscope output. Then costly halogen lamps in traditional microscopes are big problem. They are very costly. They are getting replaced. And then study of microscopic biological events in real time becomes possible. It's not that we are the first one. You can see some of these available camera modules. Now if you see this particular modules over here, they are very costly, 36,000, 50,000 and 30,000, and here on this side you can also see 30,000 camera, and with compared to that our entire kit is manufactured and assembled at cost price point of roughly 4,000. So maybe the selling cost can go as high as 8,000, not more than that. Now traditional what you can say translational potential of this DMRK is user can store these images. Real-time videos, as I mentioned earlier, can be captured. Then analysis of stored images and video processing is becoming possible with AI and ML upcoming technologies. We can have algorithms that can detect the infected cells. Then existing unused costly microscope, which anyways we are going to throw in trash, they can be recreated with this DMRK product, and images that can be viewed on a projector, as I mentioned. Possible customers, if we start with this, firstly pathological robotics lab, then school and colleges, hospitals, and finally you can see the geology labs. These are the possible DMRK potential users. Second product we have developed is a paper strip reader. So if you see, this is the kind of paper strips you get, where you have to dip this into a water and they change the color, and then on the bottle itself you have this entire color strip chart, which you then have to match with your eye. So matching with your eye comes human intervention, and then the accuracy might get affected and person to person variation might come. So we have developed this particular device, you can see over here, where you have to just insert this strip, and then there is a camera, there is a touchscreen display HMI, where you just press one button, it clicks the photo, do all the analysis, directly gives you the value in terms of the digital bit. So user wise, like handling becomes very easy. Now this is the internal construction of that device, where you have LED strips so that outside lighting doesn't affect your output. Then you insert a strip. You have a Raspberry Pi processor inside, a camera module, a touchscreen display, a Python code at the back end, AI and machine learning algorithm, a rechargeable battery. Everything is there packed into the box. Now what is the need? If you see, human error is totally avoided because of this machine. Aging of the strips can be taken care of because the paper strip reader can also take care of the change of whiteness of the strip. So even if your strips are older, it will not lead to a wrong result. Then external light cannot affect because we have internal lighting. There are current technologies which are based on, you can see some of the machines. Again, we are not the first one. There are some very costly machines available doing the same thing with the help of photodiode, phototransistor mechanism. They are reading only one pinpoint, but we are reading all the thing through image. So all the 15 readings at a time. So speed of operation of our device is way faster than the single readout machines, as well as the accuracy is way better. Now coming to the last point, that the current technology is costly. You can see the cheapest machine is roughly, you have to import it from China, but if you go on this side, you will see the cheapest machine is around 22,000. So what are the advantages? Basically, you can analyze any body fluid. So this machine can do urine analysis, or it can take a sweat analysis. Even drinking water, the water is drinkable or not, you can decide with this paper strip reader. Any bodily fluid. Secondly, if you do any diagnostic testing, you have to throw away the things into a dustbin, it becomes a biohazard. But with the paper strips, you can just burn them and then throw, so it doesn't remain a biohazard. So, and cost wise, obviously the strip will cost just 2 to 5 rupees. So it's very good for countries like India, where the population is more but they are pretty poor. Then user friendly device, we have to just purchase this device once. Maybe each village will have only one device and everyone is doing different testing on the papers. Very high accuracy, fast and simultaneous readout, and obviously multicolor readout because it's a color camera. Now, who are the possible market potentials? The pathology and research lab. Even household people can use it. You have seen people using this diabetic machine which costs roughly 1,000 rupees. Then again, healthcare workers in remote areas, and obviously hospitals and clinics. So with that, I will end this presentation. Thank you.